Hi, this is Pamela with Eli and Eden Creative, and I'm just going to go through I'm going to try to be quick and concise with this journal walkthrough. These journals are going to be available in my Etsy shop for purchase. I have 5 of them. They all have very similar elements inside as far as the paper goes, but the ephemera and different things are there's differences, and of course the covers are different. 4 of them are a bit similar, but there's differences. I have different sizes, and so what I'll do is I'll just show the different covers, and then I'll walk through one journal, trying to be fairly quick with it as well. These are Halloween inspired, sort of gothic, Book of Shadows feel type books. And so first of all, I will show you the different book covers, and then we'll go through it. And I thank you for your time and your interest. So first of all, I will go with this one. I'm going to push these other ones back a bit. So this one's name is Sophia. Sophia is 5 inches by 7.25 inches by 1.75 inches on the spine. There's 5 signatures, approximately 180 total pages. So when you flip them, like in a book. So Sophia is my smallest journal, and you can whoops. These flowers were handmade, these altered paper clips. And then I don't know if you can see it, that changes. That's kind of fun. And then this is like a cameo. And then the back is great texture. This fabric here is like a silk blend. This red fabric. So there's Sophia. Now let's go to the medium size one. This one's name is Willow. Willow is 8 by 5 by 2. And of course 5 signatures. That silk blend tie. You can see that it's 3-dimensional. There's like, I don't know if you can see that. It's really fun. So this is Willow. The next one we're going to look at is this one. This is Cocoa. Cocoa is 8.5 by 5.5 by 2 inches here. This fabric is removable. However, I love the way it looks. It's gorgeous, and it's more of that silk blend material. And as you can see, this cover is dimensional as well. So this is Cocoa. She's lovely. This book I really like as well. This is Elora. Elora is, let me just look here. Okay, 8.5 by 5.5 by 1.75. So the spine's a little bit smaller. There's that silk blend there and the tie here. I added a little bit of iridescent green. Oh, that's a great shot of it there for the sky to look a little spooky ooky. So, and then of course it's dimensional, and that is Elora. Now this one, she's I love it. This is Frida Love, and it's sort of inspired by Frida Kahlo and her artwork, specifically the paintings, the self-portraits that she does with the flowers in her hair. So I named this Frida Love for that reason, that inspiration. So these flowers here, actually, let me give you Frida's dimensions before I forget. So it's 8.5 by 5.5 by 1.75, the spine. Now, these purpley red flowers here and the leaves are handmade by me. These flowers here are silk flowers, and then I dyed them. I added the black to create that spooky look. And here's more of those handmade flowers. Nice little cameo on the side here. Now, Frida is got great texture and everything as well. So we're going to actually do a walkthrough with Frida, and it's going to give you a good overall idea of all of the journals. There are some differences, but they're all basically have similar components. Just for time, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and these will be in my Etsy shop. So I have these great images this is from the Commons on Flickr, and then I have dot grid paper. This is an altered paper with alcohol ink and tracing paper. And then I have an altered paper clip, a journaling card. So this stuff is actually what my teachers used to use at school instead of writing on the blackboard. Like vellum, not vellum paper, but oh shoot, overhead projector paper. That's it. Sorry about that. I had a little brain freeze there. Meaning my brain froze in its tracks. So this is that ledger paper, and then we have paper, you know, that we used to practice our lettering on. This is vintage. And then some more fun pages here. Journaling cards. This is from the Graphics Diary. I tried to have about, I don't know, I think there's 28 pieces of ephemera, maybe more. This one is, I love. It's alcohol ink, and then you can see it's sort of magical looking here with the shimmering. I'm gonna try to go through. Here's a little tuck spot. Now, there's lots of room for writing. Here's another tuck spot throughout this journal. I wanted to have this sort of not overly stuffed. I wanted whoever bought this to be able to make it their own, just sort of take off from where I left. These are actually Project Life cards that I upcycled to be like specimen slides. Another tuck spot. More specimen slides. This is a little tuck spot here. Another specimen slide. I'm pretty sure I have 3 per journal. They're not all the same. There's different specimens in each. This is that altered envelope with Day of the Dead stamps. This is there's different ones in each one, but this is a x-ray, and it's a journaling card. And then I added a journaling card inside because I really like the look of kind of a rose in the middle of a an x-ray. I have skulls and then hands and this pelvis, and then there's this funky bug. It's really quite cool. So each of the journals has their name, my signature, the stamp, Eli and Eden Creative, and then of course they're handmade with love. So I really thank you for your time. And oh, this is also a pocket here, and there's a pocket in the front. So I really thank you for your time, and I hope that if you're interested, you would take the time to come visit me at my Etsy shop. I really appreciate you, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye-bye.